Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel picture directly from your phone using the YouTube app. It's super quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen to open your account menu. From here, select View Channel to access your channel page. When you're on your channel, tap the pencil icon to start editing your profile details. Next, tap the camera icon on your profile picture. You'll see two options. Take a photo if you want to snap a new picture right away, or choose from your photos if you'd prefer to select one from your phone's gallery. Pick your option, and once you've chosen your photo, adjust its size and position until you're happy with it. When it looks perfect, tap Save to update your channel photo instantly.
And that's it. Your YouTube channel now has a fresh new look, all done directly from your phone. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.